What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video and in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can change your Binance graph. So it's pretty simple to change Binance graph, and by changing your Binance graph, you can look into the different type of graph. So for those people who do not know graph, there are different type of graph like candlestick graph and line graph, and the graph which shows you the amount of trading, like the selling and buying volume as well. So let me show you guys how you guys can switch between these different types of graph in Binance. Now for those people who do not know Binance, Binance is the world's top crypto trading platform where you guys can buy and sell crypto and do other stuff like staking and many more other feature which is related with crypto. So if you guys also want to sign up into Binance, I will leave a referral link which is in the description, which you guys can use to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into it. And with that said, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with the video, you can ask us in the comment. I will be happy to answer you guys, and let's jump right into the video now, shall we? First step, open your Binance, and over here you can see these graphs, right? So you can click on it. So I'm just going to show you of Bitcoin, but you can see or like you can change the graph of other crypto by doing the same step. So by default, it's going to show you the candlestick chart, right? So if you want to change it to the line graph, just click on line and it's going to show you the line graph. Now, if you want to see the amount of trading and like, the amount of buying and selling volume, go on depth. And it's going to show you the buying and selling graph over here. The green is the buying and the red is the selling. Currently, more people are selling right now. So that's how you guys can watch this chart. Now, if you want to see a 1-day candlestick chart, just go on 1D. And basically, one candle over here represents 1 day's worth of action. And if you go on more, you can select whichever option you like. 1 month, 1 week, 1 year, or anyone. Alright? So yeah, that's how you guys can change your graph on Binance. So hope you guys were able to understand. And if you guys did, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.